Hey, welcome back. Today in this video we're going to derive a formula known as distance formula, which is the distance between any two points given in a Cartesian plane. So the distance formula, where d is the distance between any two points, is given by square root of x1 taken away from x2 whole square plus y1 taken away from y2 whole square. So let's see how this works. So first of all, let us take 2 points A and B in a Cartesian plane. And let us suppose that coordinates of A be x1, y1 and coordinates of B be x2 and y2. So which means that the x coordinate of A is x1 and the y coordinate of A is y1. Similarly, the x coordinate of B is x2 and the y coordinate of B is y2. So now let's draw BC perpendicular to AC. Will be having a right triangle ABC, right angle at C. So now this means it's a right triangle and we can apply Pythagoras theorem in this right triangle, according to which this AB square will be equal to AC squared plus BC squared. Now let us find what AC will be equal to. This AC, it will be equal to x1 taken away from x2, which means if we'll take this x1 away from x2, we'll be having this much part, which is equal to AC. Similarly, what will be BC equal to? It will be equal to y1 taken away from y2, which means if we'll take this y1 away from y2, we'll get this very part, which is equal to BC. So now we'll plug in these two values in this very theorem. We'll be having AB squared is equal to x1 taken away from x2 whole squared plus y1 taken away from y2 whole squared. So now this square will shift to right side. We'll be having AB is equal to square root of x1 taken away from x2 whole squared plus y1 taken away from y2 whole squared. So we know that this AB is the distance d. We can write this expression in this way as well. D is equal to square root of x1 taken away from x2 whole squared plus y1 taken away from y2 whole squared. So this is our distance formula, and this formula can also be represented in this way. D is equal to square root of x2 taken away from x1 whole squared plus y2 taken away from y1 whole squared. So which means writing x1 taken away from x2 will be same as writing x2 taken away from x1, because both are having a square. Similarly, writing y1 taken away from y2 will be same as writing y2 taken away from y1, because both are having a square. I hope this makes sense. Do subscribe to the channel and thanks for watching.